Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the image and immediately duplicating the background layer so you can work non-destructively. Once done, make a precise selection around the subject using the pen tool or select subject and refine the edge with smooth and feather until contours look accurate. Make sure to convert that selection into a layer mask on the duplicated layer. This isolates edges for the blur. You're ready to target only the transition area without altering the core subject. Now create an edge-only mask. Duplicate the layer mask to a new channel or rasterize a mask copy and expand it slightly to include the fringe. Next, apply Gaussian blur to that mask. Adjust the radius to control the blur width. Start around 5 to 30 pixels depending on resolution. Then, return the blurred mask to the layer as a transparency and paint with a soft black or white brush to refine where the blur fades in, ensuring you preserve sharp central detail while softening only the rim. Finish by applying the desired blur to the duplicated layer as a smart filter so you can tweak it later. Choose Gaussian or lens blur for natural rendering. Make sure the filter uses the blurred mask as the filter's selection. If needed, copy the mask into the Smart Filter mask slot. Once done, tweak mask contrast with levels to increase or decrease blur intensity. If you see halos, contract the mask a few pixels or carefully clone / paint along the edge to remove artifacting while keeping the transition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.